And if you think about it, the math is very simple, right? You only need to make 3 sales per day to make over $100 per day, which is amazing, right? So we're gonna teach you exactly how to make $100 per day. You don't need a website, you don't need anything. All you need to do is What is up, fam? I hope you are ready for a strategy to make $100 per day that is not only incredibly easy, but is also incredibly scalable. And the best part is, as always, this strategy is 100% working worldwide. So it doesn't matter what country you are in. If you have a computer or even a smartphone and you have access to the internet, you can make this work for you and start earning $100 or more per day, literally starting right now. So if you're in the US, the UK, Canada, Australia, the Philippines, India, it does not matter. This strategy will work for you, but this strategy can be a little complicated if you are a complete beginner. So make sure you stay till the very end, because I'm gonna be revealing for the very first time ever a way to actually make this even easier, more profitable, and completely automated. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so as always, make sure you grab your phone, find the nearest window, and throw it out so you can pay attention, because we are about to get right into this. And I'm gonna show you guys a strategy that you can use literally starting today, where you can start making money and get paid via check or wire transfer, even if you don't have access to PayPal, even if you have no website, no money, no experience, no friends. And so let's jump into my computer right now, and I'm gonna show you the forever alone way that you can start making $100 per day right now. Let's go. All right, guys, welcome into my screen. So this is a strategy that I used to use for years, especially when I was first getting started with affiliate marketing and trying to make money on the internet. How all entrepreneurship is, and all making money online or in any business generally goes, is you either have a little bit more time or you have a little bit more money, right? And when you have more money, you can hire people and you can hire employees and you can work with people who can help do some of these things, right? But if you're just getting started and you don't have much money to invest and you're trying to earn, your first money on the internet, then you probably have a little bit more time, right? And so this strategy is going to be perfect for you if you're just starting out and you're trying to get your feet wet and you're really starting to make some money that you can then invest into other ways to make money online, like Amazon FBA, starting an SMMA, creating a digital course, or something that's, more scalable but takes a little bit longer to get started. This is a great way to start building up that initial money, that initial capital and savings that you can then reinvest into yourself, into more knowledge, into more learning, and into something that's a little bit more scalable. So what we're looking at right here is actually called CB Engine, right? And what CB Engine actually does is it ranks the top Clickbank products on the internet, right? And what Clickbank is the largest affiliate marketing network in the entire world. And what that means essentially is you can sell someone else's product and you can get paid, 50% or more of that sales price, right? So if a product costs $100 and you're selling it for someone, they'll give you $50 or 50% of that sale just for doing the work and spreading the word about their product, right? So you don't need a website, you don't need anything. All you need to do is leverage the strategy that I'm about to teach you to actually get targeted, already interested people to actually click your link and to go about buying that product so that you can earn commissions every single time they do that. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is actually go ahead and set up a Clickbank account. As you can see, there's tutorials on how to set up a Clickbank account. They even have blog posts on how to set up a Clickbank account. So I'm not gonna go through it. They literally have step-by-step guides to be able to do that. And so as you can see, I'm already logged into my personal Clickbank account that I'm gonna be using for this actual tutorial. So once you've set up a Clickbank account, it takes 5 minutes to do. It's completely free. You just have to put in, your information, where you actually want them to send you your money, right? The interesting part, obviously. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually look at CB Engine, which is essentially a service that shows you what the most popular, best-selling products are on Clickbank. And if you're asking yourself, Kevin, why would I care about that? Why do I care what the best-selling products are? Well, you want to actually be selling and doing affiliate marketing for products that sell well, right? Because if something converts well, especially to a mass audience, especially to a lot of people who are interested in that particular product or service, it's gonna make it a lot easier for you knowing that the offer converts, knowing that they have good landing pages, knowing that they have good email marketing, right? Because they set up all of the difficult stuff. All you have to do is actually bring new people into their funnel, into their website, into their ecosystem that they set up, and then you actually profit from that. So the better the offer, the better optimized, the more mass market, the better it actually functions, the more money that you're gonna make, which is why we want to focus on the ones that have what's called called the highest gravity score. And so without getting super technical about exactly what the gravity score means, it means that a large amount of affiliates, everyday people just like you and me who are promoting these offers, are actually making sales, right? So the higher the gravity score, the more likely it is that you're gonna be able to also make sales and then get paid every single time you do that. And you can see right here, Cinderella Solution is the #1 product right now based on gravity score, meaning that the most affiliates like you and me are making money. And you can see right here, every single time you make one sale, you make $33.88 profit, right? There's no cost of goods sold. And I'm gonna show you a completely free way that you're gonna actually be able to start earning $33 every single time you make a sale. And you're gonna be able to do this multiple times a day. And if you think about it, the math is very simple, right? You only need to make 3 sales per day to make over $100 per day, which is amazing, right? So we're gonna teach you exactly how to make $100 per day doing this. And the best part is, again, you can do it from anywhere in the world and it's completely free to do it. So if we actually click into Cinderella Solution here, we can see actually what the website looks like, right? So here we go, Cinderella Solution right here. You can see that they have an exit intent pop up, right? So it's very well optimized. You can see how one woman discovered the female fat loss code missed by modern medicine and lost 84 pounds using a simple 2-step ritual that 100% guarantees shocking daily weight loss, right? So amazing headline. It's almost like ridiculous, right? This video and stuff like this. They also have a huge written landing page as well. If people don't want to actually watch the video, they can go through this and you can see that there's literally hundreds and hundreds of images of before and after and just a ridiculous amount of social proof in this, right? Because these people really care and they're obviously making a significant amount of money doing this if it is the #1 product on Clickbank. And so if we actually go back one, so we know that this is actually about women losing weight, right? So if we want to see just how many people are actually interested in that, we can go to Google Keyword Planner, which is a free tool that shows you literally the accurate numbers of how many times people are searching something per month on Google. It's one of the best ways to know just how many people are interested in a certain subject. So if we type in weight loss here and go to get results, what we can see is Google's gonna tell us that people are searching weight loss 201,000 times every single month, which is absolutely ridiculous, right? So you know that the interest is there. You know that there's probably a million videos on YouTube, and we're gonna show you just how to actually capitalize and start capturing some of that value for yourself so that you can earn $33 per sale again and again and again, day after day after day. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do after we actually go ahead and find one of these products, right? We're gonna choose Cinderella Solution because it's the #1 product on Clickbank. So we know for sure it sells really well. So once you actually create your Clickbank account, you're gonna log in and we're gonna search for Cinderella right here, right? And we can see Cinderella Solution, the one that we just looked at, and we're gonna actually go ahead and press promote. And once we actually put in our account nickname, we can go to generate hop links, right? And generate a hop link essentially means that every time somebody clicks your specific link that we see right here and then goes ahead and buys the Cinderella Solution, which is a very low price product, right? It's $37, I believe. So it's very frictionless. It's very low barrier to entry, right? It's not like you're trying to sell a $1,000, $2,000 product, something that's much more difficult. It's only $37 and it's much easier to get a lot more people to actually go ahead and convert. So we're gonna grab this link right here. We're actually gonna highlight it, press Command or Control V to copy it. You can also press right here. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna head into a software called Marketer Magic, right? We're gonna actually log into this. There's a completely free trial that you can sign up for. There's also some other solutions to actually do this, but I prefer and I personally use Marketer Magic to be able to do this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab that long link and we're gonna come in and we're gonna shorten it and make it a little bit nicer looking, right? So we're gonna grab that long link, we're gonna paste it in here, and we're actually going to go ahead and press create link. And what we can do is we can actually create something that's much more interesting, like lose weight fast, right? We're gonna do lose weight fast like this. We're gonna save this link and we're gonna copy it. And now every time somebody sees this link, right, it looks much better than the link that we were just looking at before that was very, ugly and long. It had like a 1 BAB. It just looks much more spammy and, kind of like scammy with Clickbank. And so we always wanna shorten these links so that they look much more aesthetically pleasing and people are much more likely to actually go ahead and click these, right? And so we're gonna save this. And now every time somebody clicks on this link, it will automatically redirect them to our Clickbank affiliate link and then to the end site right here, where people can actually order it completely seamlessly, very easily, and with a incredibly high conversion, because obviously it wouldn't be the #1 product on Clickbank if it didn't convert again and again and again. And so now let's actually get into the good part, which is how do you actually go about promoting this? Where do you actually put these links? How do people actually click on them? How do you get traffic to click on them and then go ahead and convert? What we're gonna do is actually leverage the #1 traffic source in the world, which of course is Google, right? So we're gonna go onto google.com and we're actually going to type in weight loss. Right, and what we're gonna see is all of these different websites, right? We're probably gonna skip these ads and go to some of the highest ranking, websites that actually show up with organically, right? So we see WebMD, we see Healthline, we see Unicorn Med Spa, right? We can even type in weight loss blog if we wanna be a little bit more specific with what we want to find, right? So we can see best weight loss blogs of 2019, 12 weight loss bloggers who are inspirational AF, right? So we're gonna click into this, right? And we see that there's a bunch of different blogs here: Life by Daily Burn, Pop Sugar Fitness, The Healthy Foodie, right? We're just gonna click one of these, but the point is, guys, there's literally hundreds and hundreds of blogs that you can go out and find in a variety of different ways. You can find them on Google, right? You can scroll to page 2 of Google, page 3. You can look on Facebook for popular weight loss blogs. You can look on YouTube. You can look in a million different ways. There's a lot of different review articles about the best food blogs. You can look on Instagram. I'm just showing you one particular way to show you just how easy you can actually do this, and then how you can actually scale this into something much larger where you can make even more money than $100 per day. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go into the Healthy Foodie right here. We're just gonna click one random article, the 5-minute cashew. You can see that this was posted literally in the last couple of days, very recent, right? The more recent that you can get something, the better, because there's probably going to be less comments. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna skip this article, right? Because we're not particularly interested in it. And we're gonna go to the very bottom where there's going to be comments. You can see that there's comments right here. Comment 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, something like that comments, right? And so what we're gonna do is we're going to actually grab this comment that I wrote for you guys, and we're gonna actually paste it in here, and you can just copy the exact same format. You can even add your own experience, change it up a little bit, add something that you think might be better, and just kind of see what's working better for you. But this is a great place to start. All right, guys, so we're gonna magically paste this in here. So you can see that this is just a little thing that I wrote just to be prepared for you guys, so you don't have to sit here and watch me type. Name of blog we would obviously replace with The Healthy Foodie. Is literally the best weight loss community anywhere. I read it every day, and I'm also so grateful I found, right? And here's our link right here that we made before inside of marketermagic.com, where we can shorten those long, ugly links into something that's much easier and much more aesthetically pleasing. minime.com/lose-weight-fast. It helped me not only lose weight, but keep it off. Hope it helps some other people, right? And we would grab this, we would put a 5-star rating. And what this is gonna do is, by putting a compliment for the actual blog owner, it's much more likely that they're gonna allow it and not delete it or anything like that, and they're actually gonna post it, right? And then, if they find something that they think is actually helpful for other people, then, you're gonna be able to do this. And not every blog owner is gonna allow you to. Some people might have, strict comment rules, but not everyone does, right? And, the more blogs that you actually go about doing this for, the more times that you actually kind of, do this, you can build relationships with these people. You are going to be able to post your comments some places. Maybe not everywhere, but definitely some places, especially if you are actually, not just copy and pasting the same exact little snippet, but actually writing something that has something to do with this particular blog, personalizing it, making it your own, right? And so what we're gonna do is we would put our name, email, and then we would post the comment, right? And then what happens is people are gonna read this article, people that are obviously interested in losing weight, healthy, diets and things like that, and they're gonna read the comments, right? Especially if they wanna leave one. And you're gonna get, maybe 10 people, 100 people that are looking at this, and they're saying to themselves, okay, this person, made a nice little comment about The Healthy Foodie. I love them too. They also, wrote that they found a way to lose weight and keep it off, right? So maybe they're gonna be interested in that too. They're gonna click this, right? And then every single time somebody clicks on this link, that website that the Cinderella formula has set up is proven to convert, right? So every time somebody clicks on this, it's a low-cost product with 1 million testimonials that's the #1 product on Clickbank and is proven to convert over and over and over again. And every time somebody clicks on it and buys through your link that we just shortened and made aesthetically pleasing, you are gonna make $33 immediately. So you only need 3 sales, right? And this took us 5 minutes to do, guys. If we find 10 other blogs, 100 other blogs, 500 other blogs, and post this comment again and again and again, just changing the name of the blog, right? And then keeping everything else the same, you can do this. It only takes 30 seconds or less to do it one time, right? We can find hundreds, if not, thousands of articles and do the same thing. You are going to get people looking at your comments. You are going to get people that are actually clicking through to your link, and you are going to get people that are converting, and then every time they do, you make $33 every single sale. And if you guys are still here, I want to show you an even better, crazier way that I promised you at the beginning of this video to do this in an even more automated, amazing, efficient way. And so if you guys like this video so far, before I actually tell you the crazy little hack that I figured out, if you like this video, if you found it valuable, please do me 2 favors. Tap the little like button and make sure you subscribe if you like making money, because if you do like making more money, then you are in the perfect place, my friend, I promise you. And so let's actually get into the little hack that I'm gonna show you guys to really automate this, right? So there's actually something called Google Alerts, right? So if we go to google.com/alerts, what we can actually type in is weight loss blog, right? And we're gonna go to create alert. We can actually do options as well. How often do you want these emails? What Google's gonna do is they're gonna go out, scrape the entire internet, right? Millions and millions of pages, and they can send you all of the best weight loss blogs once a day, once a week as it happens, right? If you wanna really take this seriously, doing it once a day is great. If you wanna do it a little bit more passively, you can do it once a week. You can do sources right here. We can actually type in blogs right here and then erase blog just to be a little bit more efficient. So once a week, we're gonna source check blogs, and we're gonna look for the word weight loss, right? We're gonna do English language. You can actually set the regions. People are much more likely to actually buy this stuff if they are in the USA. So we're gonna actually type in the United States, and then that's only gonna show us blogs in the USA with, primarily a US-based readership, right? And we're gonna actually go to only the best results. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna press create alert. And now Google is going to send us weight loss blogs, all of the best results directly to our email once a day or once a week, guys. And that is an incredible way. I hope you understand just how efficient that is to really take this to the next level, systemize it, and really make it much more programmatical and automated, so you don't have to do as much of the manual work looking for this stuff. Google is automatically gonna go out, find all the best stuff, and send it right into your inbox. And the unfortunate truth, guys, is 99% of people watching this video right now are not going to take any action. And so if you wanna be the 1% of people that actually goes out, tries this method, and makes money with it, because it does work over and over and over again. I've seen so many of my students, I've done it myself. I've seen people make thousands of dollars doing this with Clickbank. If you are one of the 1%, comment down below, make money. And if we get 500 people that comment down below, make money, I'm gonna release an even crazier strategy, similar to this strategy, but using Facebook instead, where you can make even a crazier amount of money completely for free from anywhere in the world. So if you guys are interested in an even crazier strategy that you wanna watch right now, check out this video right here where I teach you how you can make up to $1,000 or more this week with no money to start and no experience. Check it out right here, guys. See you there. Social media. What would we ever do without social media? Literally, what would we ever do without social media? I mean, seriously, can you imagine having to actually